What if aliens aren't hiding from us? What if they're all dead? Not because space is too big, not because interstellar travel is impossible, but because every intelligent civilization eventually builds something that destroys it. And here's the terrifying part. We might be building ours right now. The universe is almost 14 billion years old. There are over 100 billion galaxies. Each galaxy contains billions of stars, and many of those stars have planets. Statistically, intelligent life should be everywhere. So why is the universe silent? This mystery is called the Fermi Paradox. Enrico Fermi looked at the stars and asked one simple question. Where is everybody? And the scariest answer might be this: they didn't make it. There's a theory called the Great Filter. It suggests that somewhere between lifeless matter and galaxy-spanning civilization, there's a barrier, a nearly impossible hurdle. Something that wipes out most intelligent species before they spread across the stars. And what if that barrier isn't primitive? What if it happens at the peak of intelligence? What if intelligence itself is the filter? Every advanced civilization reaches a moment of breakthrough. They unlock massive energy, nuclear fusion, artificial intelligence, genetic engineering, planet-scale infrastructure. For the first time in their history, they control forces that once belonged to nature. At this stage, they feel unstoppable. And that's exactly the problem. Technology evolves exponentially. Biology does not. Our brains are still wired for tribal survival, competition, fear, dominance. So now imagine Stone Age instincts, controlling God-level tools. That mismatch is explosive. It only takes one miscalculation, one war, one rogue system, one irreversible mistake. Intelligence creates solutions. But it also creates risks powerful enough to end itself. Here's where it gets darker. The smarter a civilization becomes, the faster it accelerates. More automation, more weaponization, more interconnected systems. Everything becomes efficient and fragile. A hyper-advanced society isn't just powerful, it's tightly coupled. And tightly coupled systems fail catastrophically. Not slowly, not gracefully, but suddenly, like a chain of dominoes falling at light speed. This might be the most dangerous period in a civilization's existence. Too advanced to be primitive, not advanced enough to be stable. They can manipulate atoms, but not yet control their collective behavior. They can edit genes, but not eliminate conflict. They can create superintelligence, but not guarantee alignment. This is the razor's edge moment, and statistically, most might fall. Maybe the reason we don't see alien megastructures isn't because they never evolved. Maybe they did. Maybe countless civilizations lit up their skies, built their machines, connected their networks. And then silenced themselves. The universe might not be empty. It might be a graveyard. But here's the part no one talks about. If intelligence creates extinction risk, it also creates awareness of that risk. We are the first species, as far as we know, that can see the trap forming. And maybe that's the real test. Not whether intelligence evolves, but whether it matures. So the question isn't, where are the aliens? The real question is, will we survive long enough to become one? If you want to explore the deepest mysteries of the universe, from cosmic silence to the future of civilization, subscribe to Mind Trail Infinity, because the biggest questions are still waiting.